Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. No idea what's in here. We're going to find out together. It's a pretty big box. It's fairly heavy. Probably multiple things in here, so this should be a fun one. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and you guys know what to do with Instagram. I had an urge to redo that, but it's funny when they land. It's funny when they land the wrong way. Most of them just fly off the table. I spend a fair amount of time before each recording retrieving, because of the way that this is set up here. If it goes off the table, it's really a mess to get back there and retrieve it. Okay. What do we have here? Hang on, just in case. Okay, here's it. Oh, yes, there are a few things here. And we have a note. Oh, lengthy one. Oh, look at all this wonderful information. Awesome. Jakes_cool stuff. That's who sent this. So make sure you give him a follow. It's because of people like Jake, I'm assuming that's what his name is, that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. This is so organized. Jake, thank you. This is exactly what I like. It's just so perfect. Hey, MC, first of all, I want to applaud you for your incredible... your incredibly informative and entertaining content in this unique knife nut community. When I started watching your videos in late 2019, I was excited to show my daughter because you're PG, and that's awesome. I try to be as often as possible, so I appreciate that you appreciate that. Try to keep this short, is what he said there. I've been in this for about 10 years, and I started watching Jim Skelton when he got popular, and I was mesmerized by those knives. Epic Snuggle Bunny was around back then also. Yeah, it's very similar to my experience. Anyways, these are my new blank knives. Yes. Oh, yes. You'll be happy. I'll message you. You'll be seeing this in the future, but I'll message you. I'll have messaged you right afterwards because he was wondering if they had arrived. Awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Cheers to you and all the Gatorade loving knife addicts out there. Awesome. Okay. So we have, that's just packing material. Got a couple here. Oh, do we have three? Oh boy. What do we have? This is the one that he initially reached out to me and said, do you want to take a look? I will link as much of this stuff right down below as I can. So if you see something you like, be sure to check out the links in the description. Is this, yeah, the Bois marble carbon fiber, gray titanium, stone the Sakshi. Yeah, been curious about this one for a bit. This is another one of those kind of Siwiwi knives, but it's got that fuller in the blade, which makes it really easy to do the reverse flick. And the blade itself is also nice and slicey. Ooh, it's very slicey. Yeah. So we have carbon fiber. I'm going to guess that that is a steel. Where's my magnet? There it is. No. Really? That's titanium. Yeah. I know that there are... You know, the magnet rule that people always tell me, well, it doesn't necessarily mean that in knives, if it's not magnetic, it's usually like 99.99999% of the time titanium or aluminum. If it is steel. I get that there are exceptions to those rules, right? In different parts of the world, different manufacturing, different items, but in knives, that's generally a pretty good way to tell. So that appears to be titanium all the way around. Yeah, that's a nice knife for sure. Very lightweight as well. And what are we at here? Up against the Para 3. Oh, it's very, very Para 3-esque. A little longer, maybe 7.5 inches. That's a nice size. Is this ferrum forge? Boy, it looks like ferrum forge. The carbon fiber looks nice. Yeah, pocket clip, it's okay. Carbon fiber looks good. People will say those voids there. That's the nature of marble carbon fiber. It just is, right? Sometimes you get marble carbon fiber that has no voids, and sometimes you get Some with voids, it's just nature of the beast. Nothing to be worried about if yours ends up that way. Good centering, good lockup. Yeah, that appears to be a nice knife. We have a couple more here. What do we have? Next up is the Seer. Okay. Ooh, did we change their boxes? Is this like a new? Oh, it's a limited edition. Okay. Oh, this is a special boy. Okay. 258 out of 610. So it's not that they changed their box. It's that this is a special. Oh. Ooh, okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay, wow. No, now I am definitely remembering what this is. Sorry, let me wipe those off there. Cool. And, oh, yeah. Yeah. CPM 20 CV in titanium. That is the Seer. I wonder, do they have a regular version of the Seer? I'm sure they do. That's a good size knife as well. Nice and straightforward. This one feels way more Bois-esque. In fact, this is one of the nicer knives, along with the Laconico Esprit, that I have seen from Bois in a while. I like that nice open handle space there. This is a larger knife. I think probably closer, closer to the Ritter Hogue. It looks like this guy's probably about 8 1/4 with a 3.5 inch blade. All titanium. And do we have milling? No, but it does feel nice and lightweight. The action's good. Yeah, I like that one too. Fully flat ground blade, and it looks like that's probably a hand rub satin finish on that guy. Very nice. And what do we have here? Oh, do we have another limited edition? I will make sure and get all of those back in the proper boxes. Okay, what's this guy? Oh, another nice one here. What is this? Well, the Upshot. Okay. And, well, yeah. Ooh, okay. These are three much nicer. Okay, so I remember, if you guys remember, when we first hit the scene with those star-shaped pieces of hardware, and everyone was like, well, it's kind of weird, but wow, for the materials, the value is incredible. And then they continue to make some cool models and some weird stuff, and then they went through a long period of time where they just made weird stuff. And every now and then they'd knock it out of the park with a collaboration. But these are, I like the, they're not taking too many risks with these designs, but I think that might be better in some situations, right? I mean, I think it's okay to take some risks, but I like the straightforward look at these. I think I'm also a little biased because I'm a huge fan of black and bronze together. This is a hammered, yeah, it's textured. Yeah, hammered and anodized. It's not Timascus. I think they've just anodized it blue, and some of those valleys are bronze, but it looks really nice. Yeah, that's also a nice knife. I think probably coming in about the same. It's a little bit shorter. This one's probably about 8 inches overall. So yeah, we have three really. Maybe we should zoom in on these. Can we do that? Yeah, how about like that? There we go. Three really nice looking models from Bois. I will link these if I can. I don't know if they're all available. Obviously, special edition versions of things may or may not be available. Probably not. But the standard versions of these knives, if they are available, I will link them right down below. These are all super interesting, and I'm definitely happy that you sent me more than just the one that we discussed. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Well, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Obviously, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing of first impressions. First time I've ever handled these. So the full comprehensive review for each individual knife will come 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks down the road. So you can expect to get all the information in those videos. Thank you again to Jake. I appreciate that. Let me show his Instagram one more time. Jake's_cool stuff on Instagram. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.